Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
Three important acquisitions by Indian Armed Forces are under the agenda for the upcoming meeting of Defense Acquisition Council, which is going to be held on 16th February 2024. This acquisition includes ADTCR, Prachand anti-tank mines, and Nirbhay subsonic cruise missile. Talking about ADTCR or Air Defense Tactical Control Radar, it is used for volumetric surveillance, detection, tracking, and friend and foe identification of aerial targets of different types and transmission of prioritized target data to multiple command posts and weapon systems. It is also capable of detecting very small targets and low-flying targets. The Air Defense Tactical Control Radar or ADTCR is developed by LRDE, which is one of the labs under DRDO and manufactured by Bharat Electronics Limited or BEL. The radar system is mounted on a BEML Tatra truck. The system incorporates active phased array technology with digital beam forming, distributed digital receivers, and IFF system. The radar system, power and cooling system, and operator shelter, communication equipment, etc. is configured on two high mobility vehicles, which is generally Tatra trucks. These radars can be deployed anywhere, that is in plain, desert, and in mountainous terrain for the purpose of tactical early warning for ground-based air defense systems. Now, talking about the Prachand anti-tank mines, ARDE and HEMRL have developed this anti-tank influence munition, which is being called as Prachand. This acts as the first line of defense against enemy infantry and armored columns or terrorists trying to infiltrate into our territory. Apart from Prachand, DRDO has also developed BAVAV, which is anti-tank point attack munition, and Vishal, which is anti-tank bar mine. Next, we'll talk about the Nirbhay subsonic cruise missile. As we all know, Nirbhay is India's first subsonic cruise missile, which is indigenously developed and can be launched from multiple platforms. It can fly at low altitudes and carry conventional as well as strategic warheads to attack fixed or mobile land targets. Technologies such as thrust vector control to turn missile into and onto the target plane, in-flight wing deployment, and in-flight engine start has already been proven. The uniqueness of this missile is that in cruise phase, it can fly very low altitude, which is 100 to 200 meters, and it can even go very low, which is ranging from 20 to 5 meters over the mean sea level. And using radar altimeter in loop and very long range waypoint navigation, it can cover more than 1,000 kilometers of distance and also incorporates the inertial navigation system and position updates. The missile has overall length of 7.6 meter, diameter of 520 mm, and overall weight of 1,450 kg. It has a range of 1,000 km in terms of 30 minutes and speed of 0.7 Mach and cruising altitude of 100 meter. It uses INS GPS for navigation and RF EO IR seeker for terminal homing. It's a vertical launch missile with thrust vector control booster and is currently powered by Russian NPO Saturn engine. The plan is to acquire Nirbhay cruise missile for all three forces. After mastering various technologies related to subsonic cruise missile, DRDO has also initiated indigenous technology cruise missile, that is ITCM-TD program for 100% indigenization of the long-range subsonic cruise missile. The most important component of this missile is the indigenously developed STFE Manik engine or small turbofan engine. It is capable of generating thrust of 450 kgf, which powers the subsonic drones and will power the ITCM missile. On 1st August 2023, the Ministry of Defense has released its Make One project list, in which LRLSCM, which is a derivative of ITCM, is included, and this is for the Indian Air Force.
This was today's update. Please let us know your views on this in comment section. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind. We'll soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector.